Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you the Scarlet and Violet chest-in, and we also have a lure ball, and we're actually gonna start with the lure ball. So I'm gonna put this one to the side for now. And let's open up this lure ball. And let's see what's inside. Because I don't really know which booster packs are in this Pokeball. I do know that I do know that this one is from the year 2023, I believe. Yeah. Well, I don't have to open it anymore. Is it going to close? Yes. I want to put that in the video. Alright, let's see. So we have stickers. And we have Silver Tempest, Fusion Strike, and we have Lost Origin. You know what's actually pretty cool? The stickers, which are from Koraidon and the other one, I can't remember his name. But that's also from the chest-in, the same Pokemon. That's pretty cool actually. So let's start with, I'm gonna start with Lost Origin. Now I know in this set is the full art Giratina, and that's actually my chase card in this set. Code card. Yeah, so the full art Giratina, but also the full art Aerodactyl, which is also really cool. A really cool card. I would be really happy to be pulling one of those. And we have a Radiant Gardevoir. Wow. That's so cool. I'm gonna sleeve it up. Just because it's a Radiant card. The next one will be Silver Tempest. I think I'm getting better at opening the cards, actually. At least I hope so. There you go. And this was Silver Tempest, right? Yeah. So this one actually has the Radiant Jirachi, and Jirachi is my favorite Pokemon. Well, at least it's one of my favorite Pokemon. I have a few favorite Pokemons. Oh my god. Radiant Tsarina. Another Radiant card. And a Metagross. It's not the Radiant Jirachi, but it's still a Radiant. Yeah, so I have a few favorite Pokemon, and Jirachi is one of them. And I also, one of my other favorite Pokemon is Mudkip and Swampert, and Leafeon is my favorite evolution. So now we have Fusion Strike. And this one, I don't really know what my chase card would be from Fusion Strike. I mean, of course there is the full art Celebi, which is really nice. I guess that could be one of my chase cards from Fusion Strike. Spongy Gloves. And a Azumarill. Oh. A Gliscor. That's also one of my favorite Pokemon actually. Yeah, so maybe a full art Celebi, but I don't know yet. Okay, so that was the Lure Ball. And we had the Radiant Gardevoir and Radiant Serena. And now we go onto the chest-in. So let's open it up. I'm gonna use my knife for this. Just a little cut to make it easier. And sorry if it's all in the way in the video, like all over the place. So there we go. And inside of here we have a coin, a really cool one. And we have Fuecoco, Sprigatito, and Quaxley. I'm gonna put them here. And of course, the code card for you guys, the collector chest. And then we have Paldea Evolved. Hold on, I'm gonna move this chest first. But let's see what else is in here. We have some stickers. And from the starters as well. Oh, some more stickers. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. Oh, and we also have a little binder. Okay. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Okay, so the booster packs that we have. Let's see, we have Scarlet and Violet, we have Silver Tempest, we have Paldea Evolved, another Scarlet and Violet, another Silver Tempest, and another Paldea Evolved. You know what? I'm gonna start with the Silver Tempest. And that's just because I really, really want that Radiant Jirachi. So maybe we can pull it right now. Who knows? That would be really cool, you know? If we could, sorry. If we could, oh my god, I can't speak today, you guys. If we could pull my chase card, Radiant Jirachi, today in this video, that would be awesome. If I can open up this pack, of course. And I was just saying, I am getting better at opening them, right? Well, I don't think so right now. Oh my god, why am I struggling so much? Like, I see other people like opening up, like pulling away this side, but then it's not working for me. I don't know. Maybe I'm still doing something wrong. I don't know. I'm gonna show you the code card first. Oh, here you go. And yeah, let's hope we can get the Radiant Jirachi. Dreepy, Rotom. But to be honest, I would be really happy with the full art Lugia as well. If we pull that. That's probably another chase card of mine. Wow, that's cool. I actually don't know that Pokemon yet, because I'm not familiar with the new Pokemon. This is Passimian, if I'm saying that right. There's probably a lot of people like cringing at the way I'm pronouncing the Pokemon names. But I'm not familiar with them yet, so I don't know how to pronounce the names. And I've never seen the newer series either, so I've never heard the anime pronounce the names. Come on. Why is it so hard? I don't know. Like, I see other people do it and they do it so fast. I don't get it. There you go. Well, I mean, they've been doing it for years, so that's probably why. Alright, come on. Please give me the Radiant Jirachi, please. Litten. Vampy. Venery. And a Chestnut. Alright. Well, maybe next time when we get some more Silver Tempest, maybe then we can pull the Radiant Jirachi. There we go. Another hit though. So next up, I'm gonna do the Scarlet and Violet. And oh, this one this one went a lot easier, quicker. Only here it's stuck. Come on, there we go. Goat. Alright, let's see. Scarlet and Violet. I'm thinking, is there a card that I would really like to pull in here? Like a chase card? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look it up actually. From Scarlet and Violet. I mean... And a Dondozo. Yeah, Dondozo. Yeah. I mean, I know there's the full art Pachirisu. Maybe that could be my chase card, because it's really cute. Yeah. This one, these packs go a lot quicker than the other ones. There you go. Alright. Dedenne, Pineco, Flittle, Tatsugiri, Scovillain, Magneton, Spiritomb, and an Indeedee. Alright. That was it for Scarlet and Violet. And then the last two packs we have are Paldea Evolved. And I actually do know my chase card from this set, because it's a card that I would really like to have. It's another one of my favorite Pokemon. And it's the full art Paldean Tauros that I would really like to pull in this one. Because Tauros is one of my favorite Pokemon as well. Yeah, I know, I have a lot of favorite Pokemon. I keep saying this is my favorite, that one is my favorite. I know, I have a lot. I have a lot of favorites. Pawmi and a Veluza. Yeah, so I have at least, I think, 5 or 6 favorite Pokemon. Well, I have a at least a top 5. And my first favorite Pokemon, that's Jirachi. Hold on 1 second, I'll be right back. Sorry, I had to, my chair was going down, I had to pull it back up. Okay, code card. It's a pretty old chair, and it goes down every time. But yeah, anyway, my favorite Pokemon of number 1 is Jirachi. My second favorite one is Leafeon, and then my third is, well, Mudkip / Swampert, so that's pretty easy. That's like only one. I count it as one, so that's the third one. Then we have Tauros and Gliscor. Gligar and Gliscor. Those are my favorite Pokemon. Maushold. Oh. Tinkatuff. Oh yeah, this is the last booster pack already, you guys. Well, since this is the last one, oh my god. Wow, a gold card. That's cool. Yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. I do hope you would like to subscribe and like the video, of course. Please follow my other social media as well. I have Instagram and TikTok. I will be posting like short videos on there as well, and share photos on my Instagram and stuff like that. But on my YouTube you can actually see like the full videos that I'm doing. Also, I will be posting some shorts later on as well. But I really hope you do like my videos, and I hope to see you, well, again, of course, in my next videos and in the future. I also have future plans of doing other things, like other content as well, but that's a secret for now. That's for later. Right now I want to focus on doing Pokemon, and yeah. Oh, and a full heart trainer. All right, you guys. I'm really happy with the pulls of today. And there we go. Sleeve them up. I will show you what we have from today. So we have the Chestnut, the Passimian, the Radiant Serena, the Radiant Gardevoir, and this is Clavel, I believe, if you pronounce it like that. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And I think the best card that we pulled today is this Gold Basic Energy, Water Energy. I really think that's cool. Yeah, so that's it for today. And I hope to see you next time again. Yeah, so see you next time. Bye bye.